then he got onto the subject of helicopters. So he'd never flown in helicopters and how petrified to be of helicopters. Because if something goes wrong,
it's
you
not great.
can't just glide it in most of the time that you're kind of plane, you know?
I mean, if you want to get technical and nerdy.
The Apache's had a bit of glide capability, did it not?
Well, all helicopters do. So you can do something called auto rotation. So essentially, you've got your blades spinning around on top. So if you lose the engine, disc as we call it. So if you lose power, now Apache had 2 engines, most, apart from the Gazelle, was a single engine. Most have 2. But for example, if you lost both engines, you can drop down a collective, which is the lever on your left-hand side that puts the pitch on the blade. So pull it up, goes up, push it down, goes down. It's the general thing. But you've obviously got no power going to those blades. So then you basically turn yourself into a giant sycamore seed. So you're using the weight of the helicopter to keep the rotors going.
Oh.
So you can go down. So then you do it regularly. It's like something you practice. And then basically when you get about, depending on the helicopter, like 10 feet off the ground, you pull all the power in, which then pitches all the blades so it kind of bites the air and hopefully do a nice little cushioned landing. Problem being, whatever's in front of you, that's where you're going. Like you've got like a kind of cone in front of you of where you can go. Because if you don't get all the pitch off the collective, the blades will just stop turning and you fall out of the sky like a rock.